welcome back to another TEKDEP repair video. In today's edition we'll be working on the iPhone X. This video will show how to fix an iPhone X screen. So this is a pretty much straightforward video. The tools you're going to be needing for this repair would be Pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a tri-wing screwdriver, along with a heat gun and a prying tool. Let's get into the video. First, we're going to start by taking out the Pentalobe screws. Then use a little bit of heat. Using a pry tool, we're going to start from the bottom. Using the tri-wing screw, we're going to take out all the tri-wing screws holding the metal bracket for the LCD connections. You want to first remove the metal bracket. Then you want to disconnect the battery to make sure that there's no short circuit while doing the repair. First, the digitizer connection and the LCD connection, along with the proximity sensor that goes with the Face ID functionality of the phone. So you definitely want to transfer this part over to the new screen. And by the way, guys, if you're looking for any parts or tools, check out the links below. If you're interested in mail-in repair or data recovery service, check us out at TEKDEP.com. We do it all every day. Some spider glue right there. So once it's out of the way, you just want to focus on the screen now. Using the tri-wing screws, you're gonna take out the screws holding the front proximity sensor. Then apply just a little bit of heat so it can loosen the tiny adhesive holding the front proximity sensor. So this is actually a two-piece. There is the proximity sensor and the top speaker, but they're soldered into it. I usually take them out with the holding brackets for the front Face ID camera, and this one does have a little bit of resistance. We're gonna start by putting back the top speaker along with the front proximity sensor onto the display. Then moving on, we're gonna reassemble the screen by attaching all the connections to their appropriate locations. First, you want to start with the LCD and digitizer connection. And then the front proximity sensor. And lastly, leave the battery connection at the very end. I'm gonna put the metal bracket. Be mindful about the length of the screws because they have specific locations, so to avoid motherboard damage you want to put them onto their rightful position. So the long screw ones, they come from the very top and in the middle, and the rest is the same size for the other screws. I'm gonna close it, make sure you start from the top so the Face ID is aligned. And lastly, we're gonna put the Pentalobe screws. And give it a go. Okay, So the screen seems to be working, and thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below, and with the help of the community, we'll make sure to assist you. Again, if you saw any parts or tools you need in the video, check us out at TEKDEP.com or click in the link below for mailing repairs or data recovery service. Thank you guys for watching.